Everybody, this is just going to be a quick video and see how well this barbecue carry bag works. So let's see how long it takes and see if it holds the barbecue. No instructions. Should be pretty self-explanatory. Simple. Looks like you put the barbecue box right down on it. Big head's probably in the way. This little strap here keeps the lid from separating from the barbecue, so it's easy to carry. Voila! That is your Camp Chef barbecue bag. Super simple to use. Nothing to it. Alright, so next we have the griddle carry bag. Obviously you can see I'm a knucklehead. It clearly states 16-inch for 16-inch systems, and I bought a 14-inch system. So blue is 14-inch, orange is 16-inch. Don't make the same mistake I did. But I'm going to keep the bag and just use it for cooking utensils as well. So as you can see, this is made for the bigger stove. So again, I'm the knucklehead that bought the wrong one. So so that'll fold up. Since it's made to carry so much weight, I might put some other cast iron pots on the other side. Last but not least, the carry bag for the 2-burner 14-inch stove. As you can see, blue. So let's see how easy this goes in. Uh-oh. Problems with the old zipper here. There we go. Alright, I don't know if you guys can see. It looks like there's some pouch for your poles here. And maybe your windscreen. There's your windscreen. Disassemble this bad boy. Turn it over. Alright. Simple enough. Holes per slot. again, thanks for watching. This is just Camp Chef 14-inch stove accessories. Please hit that like button and subscribe. Again, thanks for watching Duramax Extreme. Have a great day.